everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. So today I'm going to do a little unboxing for you. Gina and I, if you guys notice, we have been becoming really good friends. We met this summer. If you guys watch one of my summer vlogs, we actually met. Even though she lives in California and I live in Wisconsin, we met her with Llewellyn, who's also a good friend of mine. But Gina and I decided we wanted to just do a swap with each other. No rules, like we've done swaps before with everybody else, which is nice, but we kind of leave it, you know, a limit and everything. But Gina and I set a limit, but me and her both know we didn't hit that limit. We actually went above and beyond. But me and her were going to open it, and then she's like, let's do a video for it because she is off social media, so we can't like FaceTime with each other. So she's like, just make a video for it because I want to see a reaction. So you guys will definitely have to check her out. I made a homemade something for her, so you guys want to definitely check that out. So she ended up buying me something for Jeffree Star back on November 1st when they had their launch day, okay? She was able to get something I was not able to. Then what happens is, you know, you had to wait a month for it to ship. And she's like, watch this like a hawk. So this is something, you know, I knew I was getting, and I was so excited because this is something I wanted. And it said it was, she sent me the confirmation, and I'm like, Gina, you put the wrong address on there. She's like, oh my God, I did. So she contacted them like right away. This was like day 3. She contacted them, and she's like, hey, I have the wrong address. They're like, okay, we'll fix it for you. And, you know, then she got an email saying it was shipped, and it went to the wrong address. So then it went to like, I think I counted 8 different towns in California it was going around in. Because she did California instead of Windsor, or instead of Wisconsin, and my cat's up here. But I'm like, Gina, it's somewhere lost in Wisconsin, or lost in California. And she's like, okay. So they ended up sending us a total replacement because that one got lost. So this is the box. It's not like one of the colored boxes that you usually get from Jeffree Star. So I do know what it is, but I am so excited to see what we got. Right, Miss Paris? Okay. So we got tons. I mean, they totally like went crazy over the tissue paper. So I got this little tiny little thing with this big of a box. You guys, like, that is crazy. And this is what I'm so excited to get this. I also got the bigger palette. I got that for myself, but Graham's getting it for me for Christmas. So this is my first time looking at this. But she ended up, you guys, like, thank you so much, Gina. You have no idea how much I love you for this. But she ended up getting me the mini controversy palette and the lip balm of the like Diet Shane is what it's called. It's just for lip balm, and it's root beer. And I am a huge root beer fan. So I didn't even put lipstick on prior to this video. But I mean, isn't that gorgeous? I love it. It does smell like root beer. Oh. I'm obsessed with lip balms, you guys. Like, I freak out if I don't have it, like, literally everywhere I'm at. So thank you so much, Gina. And then now we're going to look at the mini controversy palette, because this is what I wanted to get. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, I got to get this open. It's like I don't want to damage the box, even though I'm like, let's just throw that away, Jennifer. Like, why do you have to keep the box? Okay, here it is, you guys. It is awesome. It is so pretty. So pretty. There's some makeup got smeared, but that's not a big deal. But I just love these colors. I don't know why I smelt it, but I really like My Boyfriend's Purse, My Apology, this Simulation. Those are pretty colors. Love them, love them, love them. And I'm a really big fan of Jeffree Star eyeshadow since I got my Jawbreakers. I really love that. So there is that. And then she sent me another box. Now all the markings on here is from my son Ben. Some of it did have a color on it because I know her kids probably colored on it. But Ben completely did his art on it all the way. So I don't want to cut my cat because she's like right here. It's like, Paris, really? Seriously? And she can't hear me because she's deaf. Okay, So this, you guys, I went like so crazy on her. It's just above and beyond. So, and this is just, you know, and I didn't, oh, she wrapped everything. What? Merry Christmas. Okay, so in the flap, she wrote Merry Christmas. And then she wrote Happy New Year. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, she went crazy. Okay, it says DesignerJen open first. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I wanted to focus this box all on you. Sorry, Graham. She doesn't. Her pen died. I figured the kids would get plenty. Thank you for being an amazing friend. Hopefully you got your palette by now. I finally got it. You know, I got this box before I got that palette. That's how crazy it was. Okay, so I don't think she has these all numbered, maybe? Okay, so there's little notes on everything. Oh my God, Gina. Because I know you love this. It smells like coffee. I'm not a coffee person. She knows this. Oh. Okay, I get it. I'm like, Gina, you did it. Okay. I think this is what she wanted me. Inside is sock. Oh my God, Gina, you and I must have, I got her socks too. So she got me pizza socks. I love these. I love just, you know, that. And a hamburger, cheeseburger socks. That is so cool. That's awesome. It's like really a strong smell. I'm like, Gina, you got me coffee. She knows I don't like coffee. She's even mentioned it. Okay. For Ben, I'll get Ben down here. Benjamin! This feels like it's a bottle. We didn't want it to explode. Haha! She got me body wash of the Christmas cookies, and I love this smell, you guys. I have yet to use it. I'm just going to throw my stuff in there. But I really love this. It smells like vanilla. It's basically what it is, and it's so good. Okay. The next thing, I got a little carried away on these. More socks. I love socks. Oh, it's little cheeseburger socks and then some striped ones. And then cookies and milk and then striped ones. Those are so cute. Love them. Love them. I'm a sock person. I need to get rid of like all my old socks and be like, yo, let's do this. Okay, I didn't go like this thorough on her, but yeah, because unicorns are so much. Super comfy unicorn socks. Ooh, these are so soft. Oh, they're the shea infused. I really need these. My feet are so dry right now. That is awesome. I love these. I've had some of these before. Not the shea infused one. I had some other ones that were really nice, but these are so soft. These are like as soft as my cat right now. Yeah. And we got napkins. This is awesome. I'm always afraid to use pretty napkins. You guys know I'm just afraid, but I'm going to definitely use those. I'm just like, you know what, Jennifer? Let's use them. Okay, Miss Paris. Okay. To take couponing with you. This one's really taped. Really taped. What is it, hand sanitizer? Holy crap, this is taped. Unicorn foam. It's like a hand sanitizer. Yeah. That's what I've never used this stuff, so I'm pretty excited to take that. And it's unicorns. Yes, unicorns. Okay. To relax, I know what this feels like. I know what this feels like. It's a unicorn bath bomb. Ooh, it smells good. Sugar Plum Dream. And it's a unicorn. Okay, you guys, I do see the light at the end of the tunnel. I do. Hi, Paris. Man, this is like really strong tape. Ooh. Little cups for my hot chocolate. Sweater weather coffee cups. That's cute. This would be perfect for hot chocolate. Perfect for hot chocolate. I can always heat my hot chocolate up and put it in here so I don't have to dirty my dish when I want to go and not have to worry about it. Thank you, Gina. Love it. Plus, I always have an ugly sweater party every year. Okay. I think I know what this one is. You wanted this. Yeah, I think I know what this is. So I'm like hardcore into cleaning, and I love watching Marie Kondo. I binge watch it all the time. Like, I've watched the episodes probably 3 times, you guys. I hope they have a new episode coming out soon because that's how much I love that show. But she got me the Tidying Up, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. So I wanted to read this book. There's a coupon in here. Happy holidays. Buy one fresh baked cookie, get one free. Where's this from? I think it's from Target. Yeah. So I'm excited to see what this is. Maybe it'll give me more motivation. So thank you, Gina. There's 2 more gifts in here. Okay. I'm going to open this up. Color coordinate what to keep, donate, sell, etc. for your decluttering. Post-its. Post-its. That is awesome. That is awesome. I love Post-it notes. I just love them. Okay, now we're to the last and final gift. You guys, I'm so excited. Everything smells like coffee. I'm like, that's how strong that bag of coffee is, even though there's no coffee in here. Oh, did I not read this? I did not read this. Something only found in California. Oh, Charlotte just woke up. Charlotte just woke up. I was trying to do this video while she's sleeping. If this is what I think it is, I got her, she says she collects coffee mugs from states. I got her, you know, a Wisconsin one. You guys, I cannot get this open. Seriously? Okay. That is so cute. I love it. It's pink inside. It says Disneyland. You can use it as an ornament. Decorative item only. So I'm going to use that for decoration. But it's Disneyland. I'm going to Disneyland. That is so cute, you guys. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, Gina. This made my day. Totally. Don't even drink coffee, but I love this stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, Gina. I cannot wait to watch your video to see how you like the stuff that I got you. But yeah, so definitely, you know, check her channel out. If you guys are new to her channel, let her know that I sent you guys, because, you know, it's nice to have everybody do the same things. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. So you remember Gina that we met this summer?
Yeah.
Well, she got you a gift, and it says for Ben. So I want you to open it. You want me to help you open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Open it.
And they're wrapping presents.
Yeah, you're wrapping your first Christmas present of the year.
Do we have more?
You know where she got these from?
Oh no. Disney.
Disneyland. So she gave him 2 little suckers from Disneyland. Tell her thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Gina.
Yeah, I get to eat these.